Fix. This modification is not allowed because the selection is locked in Microsoft Word. Learn how to unlock your document and get back to editing quickly. Ensure you have an activated and legitimate version of Microsoft Office. Open a web browser and download the Microsoft Fix-It utility, link provided in the description. After downloading, right-click on the file and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and enable Run this program in compatibility mode for a previous version of Windows. Click Apply and OK. Double-click the file and agree to the license terms. Let the utility run and restart your computer once finished to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.